A very good morning to all my dear students. I welcome to academic year 2021-22. So, as you are in 5th class, I introduce myself. I am your maths teacher. My name is Shanta Katti. I have completed BSc B.Ed and I have 17 years experience teaching in maths. And as you are all safe, so avoid to coronavirus, you cannot come to school, no problem, we will meet online classes, right? Today I will give you new syllabus and you will note down the syllabus very carefully. My dear students, I want to tell you, whenever you go, you will wear mask, maintain distance, and when you come back to home, wash your hands with soap. Stay home, stay safe. So, in mathematics, we are studying three branches: arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. In arithmetic, in this branch, we are going to learn about numbers along with mathematic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay. So now algebra. In this branch, we are going to learn numbers using symbol or letters. Then the third one, that branch is geometry. Study of size, shape and position of angles. Students, now let us see to learn in this academic year of 2021-22. Students, in this 5th standard math syllabus, the totally chapters are 20. So, 10 chapters are in first sem and 10 chapters are in second sem. Textbook having two parts, first sem and second sem separately. Students, in first sem there are 10 chapters are there. So now we are going to study one by see children, we are going to learn one by one. Unit 1, 5-digit numbers. In this chapter, we are studying place value chart, expanded form, greatest number, smallest number, skip numbers, increasing order, decreasing order to form the greatest and smallest number, and the last one, preceding and succeeding numbers. Unit 2, addition. So 5-digit numbers without carrying word problems based on addition of 5-digit numbers. Unit 3, subtraction. Here also we are studying with borrowing and without borrowing 10,000 place. Then Unit 4, factors and multiples. We are studying the factors and multiples. Unit 5, fractions. Equivalent, non-equivalent fractions. Then Unit 6, angles. So in this chapter we are studying the types of the angles: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. Unit 7, circles. So in this chapter we are studying the identify the geometrical instrument box like scale, divider, compasses, protractor, set squares, circle, radius of center point. Construction of circle of given radius with the help of the compasses. Then Unit 8, length. Unit 8 length. We are measuring. How do you be measuring the distance? Unit 9 perimeter and area. Perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square. Area of rectangle and area of square. The last one, Unit 10 data handling. So in this chapter we are studying the graph, bar graph and pictograph. Next we come to the second part. Here also 10 units are there. The first one, multiplication. Here we are multiplying the up to 5-digit numbers. Then division, also here up to 5-digit divisions we are studying here. Unit 3 mental arithmetic. So we are doing the mentally calculation up to we are estimated the approximate values. Unit 4 decimal fraction. We are converting here decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal. Then unit 5 money. So we are adding the, how do we add the money, then rupees, and totally we are making the bill chart. Unit 6 weight and volume. So in this chapter we are studying the solid and liquid things. How do we measure the different types of the measuring instruments. Then unit 7 time. So in 1 hour how many minutes? In 1 minute how many seconds? In 1 minute how many seconds? Like this type we are learning in this chapter. Then unit 8 symmetrical figures. So we are cut the parts equally, then both are equal, then we call the symmetrical figures. Then unit 9 3-dimension figures. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, like this type we are studying in this chapter. Then the last one, patterns. So different types of the pattern and the different types of the designs we are making to the home or whatever the outside the constructions. Now complete the syllabus. Thank you children. Bye bye. Take care.